Good morning. In my state, in Arkansas, there was an expectation that in the post-stimulus period that there would be over 30,000 jobs created in our state. Sadly, we haven't created 30,000 jobs. We've lost over 8,000 jobs. My constituents, like the constituents of my colleagues who have already spoken here this morning, are still plagued by high energy prices and high food prices and 2- and 3-fold increases in their premiums on health care, all the while struggling to find meaningful employment. Well, House Republicans have the elixir that will restore a healthy economy in this country. Dozens of jobs bills, many with bipartisan support, still languish in the Senate. Americans need relief. Job creators who can provide that relief need certainty. House Republicans have acted. My colleagues and I have acted. It's time for the Senate Democrats and the President to act as well.